Hello RAC students, and today we are going to be focusing on 2G category words. We are going to focus on direction words. Today we are going to read and spell 10 direction words. Okay, I am going to show you the word. I will say it, you're going to repeat after me. Okay, you're going to trace the word on your screen that you are using, and then you will skywrite it on the table, in the air, on the floor. And then you're going to write it in your notebook or folder or your paper that your teacher provided for your assignments 3 times. Okay, and I will tell you when to do that. So this word is, do you know it? This word is over. Repeat after me, over. Good job. I would now like you to trace over it on your screen. Take your finger, press your screen, or skywrite it. If you press your screen, it's going to stop the video. So go ahead and skywrite it over your screen. Good job. Now write it 3 times in your notebook. Good job. So if you need time, you can pause the video if you need more time. Above. Repeat it. Good job. So now skywrite over the word. Good. Now this time I want you to write it 2 times in your notebook. Do that now. If you need more time, you can hit pause. Under. Good job. Repeat it after me. Under. Now you can skywrite it over your screen. And go ahead and write it 3 times in your notebook. Good job. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Repeat after me. Behind. Good. Now go ahead and skywrite over the letters on your screen. Now you're going to write it 3 times in your notebook. There's a pattern. You're just going to keep going, following along. If you need more time, go ahead and pause. Repeat after me. Around. You're going to skywrite over the word. And write it 3 times in your notebook. Again, if you need more time, go ahead and hit pause. Beside. Say it one more time. Repeat after me. Beside. Good. You're going to skywrite it over your screen. Go ahead and write it 3 times in your notebook. If you need more time, go ahead and just hit pause. Repeat after me. Through. Go ahead and skywrite it over the screen. And you're going to write it 3 times in your notebook. Do that now. If you need more time, go ahead and press pause. Repeat after me. Inside. You're going to skywrite over your screen. And you're going to write it 3 times in your notebook. If you need more time, go ahead and hit pause. Across. Repeat after me. Across. Okay, go ahead and skywrite over your screen. And you can write it 3 times in your notebook. If you need more time, go ahead and hit pause. Repeat after me, outside. And you're going to skywrite it over your screen. And you're going to write it 3 times in your notebook. Go ahead and hit pause if you need more time. So, in order to practice our words, we are going to read the book Mondays. You guys each were given a log on to the ARC bookshelf by your teacher. Okay, when you get into your ARC bookshelf, you are going to click on 2G Books, and I will show you that. And you're going to click on 2G, and you're going to scroll until you find Mondays. It is alphabetical order. You'll click on Mondays and you'll go ahead and read. Go ahead and pause it and go ahead and read the story. When you're done reading, you are going to answer some comprehension questions. I want you in one sentence in your notebook to tell me what is this book about. Just one sentence. You don't need to write any more than that. Or you can tell your parent, brother, sister. And then you're going to answer the question, what does the boy find under his bed? Okay, and you're going to write that in your notebook. Make sure you're writing that this is 2G day 1, so that when your teacher looks at your notebook, they know what you have completed. Please feel free to reach out if you have any more questions. Keep practicing.